So what we got is brake controller line broken. We have the jack broken. Looks like somebody jimmied it just to get the leveling jacks to go up and down. So we couldn't get it off yesterday. Luckily we got it in there, but so this on the front, it's normal usually. It's not the way they put it in, so that's not part of the damage. So we do have looks like just a scratch up there. Going across the whole sidewall. All the siding though below is damaged. Need a new handle. Luckily it didn't break the glass. So all the siding just needs to be replaced. It looks like he bumped a lot of things there. See how the molding looks. So we have this molding to replace. That damage there. We got a light missing. And we got some damage here. So the bumper's damaged. Now I see the bumper probably needs to be replaced, because the bumper's got big huge dent there and it's way out. So it must have got tagged there. So once again, all the siding. We got lucky we don't got anything on the sidewalls. The slide out, now that's an issue. It might need to come out, because what we have is a huge, it's supposed to go in like that, and it's sticking out. So minor issue, just figure out what's going on. Got to place some molding on the slide out. All the siding again. And alrighty.